Hey guys, Agatha here, your restless trader on the hunt for efficient strategies for 7 years now. My win rate is 89%. Today I've got an exciting test drive for you. This time I'm going to trade with another ChatGPT bot. Many say it's the smartest one yet, but we will see about that. If you want to know what kind of bot it is, you will have to stick around till the end of this video, but only if it delivers some impressive results. Otherwise, why would I promote it, right? So let's dive in and see just how much I can make with it and if it's worth your trust. Honestly, I don't use artificial intelligence for trading. I prefer relying on my own intelligence. I tried a bot before and the results were pretty disappointing. But I won't deny that having a reliable assistant would be great, especially since I trade every day. Sometimes I just want to disconnect and take a digital detox day. Do you know what a detox day is? It's when you don't touch your phone all day. But there's a catch. Once I've said to myself that I'll share my knowledge for free and help everyone who wants to achieve stunning results. That's why I created a Telegram channel where I host open trading sessions every day. Essentially, I trade live and the members of my free channel watch me and simply replicate my trades. And they achieve the same great results. Even though I offer this information for free, it's still a big responsibility to do these trading sessions every single day. Now let's see if I can trust this bot. By the way, you can find the link to the Telegram channel in the video description and in the first pinned message. Now let's move on to our experiment. I'll start by making a few trades on my own, and then I'll let the bot do the same number of trades. This way we can compare the results and understand how effective AI actually is. The starting deposit for both will be 500, and we will invest 100 with 5 trades each. Sure, we could invest 500 at once, but I don't fully trust third parties, and I think this amount will suffice for the test. Alright, let's start with me. Now let's head to our platform and quickly go through the settings. First, I've chosen the investment amount, 100. Trade time is set to 1 minute. I'll switch the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. Next, I'll select 5 currency pairs with the highest interest rates. All set now and ready to trade. The Euro and US dollar pair. We can see right away a good situation on the market with a clear downward trend. Let's hit the down button. Fantastic! My balance is now at 593. On to the next one. Pound and Australian dollar. I'll keep the amount at 100. We are seeing a strong, confident upward movement here. Let's go with the trend and invest up. By the way, I put even more rewarding strategies to the test on my Telegram channel. I demonstrate and explain the results of each strategy, highlighting the most effective ones from a technical analysis perspective. You can watch me trade live and anyone who is interested can join in. It's completely free. This is an excellent opportunity to trade alongside me and start going the results in a few days just copying my trades. I'll guide you through everything, so stop hesitating and follow the link in the description and in the first pinned message. And we've got another 192 in the bank. Well, what can I say? This is what a professional, responsible trader with 7 years of experience can do. The US dollar and the Algerian dinar. The investment is the same. Here we are seeing a long channel movement from the maximum, with a downward trend. But it's obvious that after the price falls, there will be an upward rebound, clicking up. Alright, everything is going as planned so far. I've already reached 775 in my account, and I still have 2 chances to increase my deposit. I'm getting a bit nervous. The US dollar and the Turkish lira. Investing the same 100. At the price peak, a new resistance level has formed. Yet, it's clear that buyers will attempt to test this height again. Clicking up. Well done! Once again, identifying the trend correctly is key. Now the Australian and the Canadian dollar. All right. This is my final chance to increase my account, investing 100. The chart indicates that the upward trend has stopped, and a new downward movement is gaining momentum. I'm gonna follow it, pressing the button. Great, that was intense. Trading is one thing, but doing it live, especially in front of an audience, is another experience altogether. I made 955 as a human trader, correctly analyzing all 5 out of 5 trades. Now let's see what AI can do. I've withdrawn the deposit and left the 500. I've also adjusted our currency pairs since the interest rate has dropped with some of them. To ensure a fair comparison with the bot, I've once again chosen the best currency pairs. So let's test out another GPT bot. Is it as impressive as it's made out to be? Is all the hype justified? The bot is set up and ready to go. The Australian dollar and the US dollar. Okay, let's see what the bot is going to say. Oh, here comes the message from the bot. It recommends investing in a fall. Alright, let's press down. Take a look at the chart. I can say bot's forecast makes sense. Strong bearish impulses from our all-time high indicates a significant downward trend. And on the very first trade, AI helps us on 193. Not bad, yes? Maybe I was too skeptical after all. Interesting. The euro and the US dollar. Sticking with the 100 investment. Oh, the bot once again suggests trading down. Let's hit the button. And I agree with it. The situation looks quite similar for this currency pair. The only difference is that the trend reversal has just begun at the historical peak. Wow, my deposit is already at 686. Have I actually found a smart and reliable assistant for myself? Let's see what happens next. The Swiss franc and the Australian dollar. Keeping the investment amount the same. Yep, the bot is once again forecasting a downward movement. Pressing down. Well, here comes the first misstep. The downward trend has significantly slowed down, and now there seems to be an upward rebound. Just as I suspected. Well, what can I say? I lost my investment on this trade. Now the deposit amount is 586. It's a bummer. But let's give the bot another chance. Perhaps it will redeem itself. The US dollar and the Indian rupee. Once again, going in with 100. The bot thinks that the price is supposed to decrease. Button. Another concerning forecast. The downward trend has slowed down, and an upward rebound is pretty obvious, if you ask me. Another trade, another loss of my funds, alas. Sadly, my deposit has taken and is down to 486. Now the euro and pound couple. This is our last chance to recover the initial deposit with this 100. The bot suggests that we will benefit if we trade down. I'll follow and see. Hitting the button. Well, because of this experiment, I only made 75 with the bot. This is kind of disappointing. I feel like I just wasted my time. I mean, it's not the end of the world, of course, but I would not recommend this bot to anyone. Looks like I'm not going to have my smart and reliable assistant after all. Even though the bot only bought in 75, there is the silver lining. My value as a professional trader keeps growing. Through my Telegram channel, I'm teaching, training, and helping my subscribers grow in their trading journey. Every day, I trade together with them. They've achieved some great results, and some have upgraded their homes. Others have supported their families, and many lives have changed dramatically. You can join us, trade using my signals, and just copy my trades for free. Just subscribe to the channel through the link in the description or in the first pinned comment. That's it for now. Bye bye.